Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best electronic drum. Starting at number 5. HXW SD6104 Juego. Its SD6104 is a quality 7-piece electric drum kit with simple features characterized by high responsiveness and versatility, at a price that won a Euro trademark T break the bank. Euro trademark SSD6104 is a bit of everything a Euro trademark S and affordable, well-rounded, good-sounding e-drum kit that can equally serve beginners and moderately experienced drummers. Regarding versatility, it packs 251 unique drum percussion sounds and 25 preset drum kits, all of which you can access from the SD6104 drum module. The module is basic, sporting functions such as the click track, play-along song on off, record, and volume controls. Sound-wise, Euro trademark S not the best electric drum set on the market, but compared to its similarly priced counterparts, it sounds great, and would serve someone well who is just getting into drums for the first time. Its individual components are larger than average and are made of quality silicone and mesh materials. Coming at number 4. Roland VAD103. The Roland VAD103 is a unique and expensive beast, and one that caters to a very specific audience. Euro trademark SA kit for those that want to reap the benefits of electronic drums while retaining the look of a real acoustic kit. Euro trademark S an electric drum kit engineered to replicate the look, design, and feel of a traditional acoustic drum set while granting the benefits of tone customization, dozens of voices, and a range of drum kit presets. Its TD-07 module has 143 instrument sounds and 50 drum kits. Additionally, you can use over 30 effects to experiment with your tone. Bear in mind that due to the size of this thing, Euro trademark S not very portable, and weighs in at just under 100 pounds. At number 3. Roland V-Drums TD50KV2. The flagship TD50KV2 represents the pinnacle of V-Drums innovation, delivering the most complete electronic drumming experience available anywhere. Roland is among the biggest names in the drum manufacturing industry, and its long-standing flagship TD50KV2 is easily one of the finest e-drum kits ever made. Featuring the ultimate drum sound library, large customizable pads, and an intuitive interface, this drum kit is a dream come true for those who can afford it. The Roland TD50KV2 is subjectively the most versatile, best-sounding drum kit this brand ever made. Not only does its library of sounds offer more than 900 unique kick, snare, cymbal, tom, and hi-hat voices, but finding the one you need is remarkably easy because of the streamlined design of its inbuilt interface. The interface allows you to select, mix, and customize any sound, but Euro trademark S not the only UI on Roland TD50KV2 Euro trademark S table. Namely, this e-drum kit sports another USB MIDI interface that lets you record and produce music on your PC or laptop. Number 2 of my list. Alesis Drum Surge Mesh Kit. Alesis is one of the top manufacturers of electronic drums, drum machines, and multi-pads. After introducing the acclaimed Nitro on the market, Alesis came out with the Surge Mesh Kit, which is currently one of the best premium electronic drum sets for drummers with slightly deeper pockets. Alesis Surge has always operated in the shadows of Roland, but Euro trademark S not to say they make bad products. Alesis has done well to carve out a place in the market as a reliable producer of affordable electronic drum kits, and the Surge is one of their latest and most versatile electric drums at a great price point. Aside from the fact that Euro trademark S supplied with numerous features, some Euro trademark T as easy and intuitive to use but will give you the edge you need when gigging or recording your music. Before reviewing its most notable features, I should mention that drummers on a cash-strapped budget that like but can't Euro trademark T afford Surge may want to consider the more affordable Alesis Nitro kit, which comes with smaller, single-zone pads. And number 1. Roland V-Drums TD27KV. This Roland model falls somewhere in the middle of its lineup. ETA Euro Trademark S, not the most premium, but ETA Euro Trademark S up in the middle echelon of features and quality. Smaller pads and a few features are stripped from its bigger brothers, but the TD27KV does not compromise on sound, feel, and durability. If you love but can't Euro Trademark T afford the TD50KV2 kit, I Euro Trademark M sure you a Euro Trademark LL love the TD27KV drum set. This model packs the same audio engine as the TD50KV2. I briefly mentioned prismatic sound modeling a moment ago. ETA Euro Trademark S an advanced technology enabling you to fine-tune, tone, tweak, or muffle any sound present in TD27KV Euro Trademark S audio library. The pure acoustic ambience tech is usually present in far more expensive Roland drums, as well as this one. ETA Euro Trademark S used to simulate authentic sound stages and create a more lifelike Euro feel Euro while drumming. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.